Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at Apple, Tesla, and Google L on the daily time frame using technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. If you like these videos, go to my website, sign up, or click down here in the bottom right hand corner and subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right guys, so Apple daily 366 up, a little bit down after hours, 35 million shares traded, 1.89% green on the day. So overall guys, the market's bounced. So pretty much everything, not everything, but most stuff is green, if not barely holding on. You had stocks like Beyond getting smashed, a couple other ones going down, but then you had Amazon's going up, you had the Apple kind of positive, and the rest of them doing okay. Google even up about 16 bucks or so. And Tesla, you know what? I didn't even really look at Tesla today. What did that one do? I have no position in Tesla, so I could care less. I got no position in any of these, actually, so I could care less. But I have a lot of people asking me to do this. So let's get back into Apple. Daily chart. So we're right into that 50% retrace. We're still back below the 50 MA. Still holding this gap fill, though, so slightly strong, but still down, still sideways. That's some ugly action. The technical damage has been done to this. So even if we retrace, I think it's going to be short term leading to the next down move. If the SPY, everything continues to move down, this will move down with the overall markets. Next area will be right in here. If this doesn't hold, it's going to double bottom and filling this gap. The SPY and everything just dump, guys, we're going to be down here really quick. Now, if the SPY and everything catch a bid, right now we're down $1.25 on the SPY right now, so anything's possible tomorrow, guys. At this point, the SPY is into some support, but it was ripping through it, and with the news coming out, guys, anything's possible. So if you're trading in this environment, just put the positions on the smaller side, and when you do have a profit, take the money and run for the hills. So, but holding this area, still a 50-50 shot. Retrace from this low to that high, you're right into the 50%. So it could go either way. Markets dump, it will be going down. Markets go up, this will grind its way up. Bottom line, everything's a market trade right now. All right, let's go into, and the volume was okay today. Not as good as the last couple of days of selling, but it held pretty good. But man, this could have been just a pause day to give everybody a little bit of relief, and maybe we go down more. Either way, guys, I don't care. I'm short shares, the indexes, so I'm good with that. I'm short shares some other stuff as well, and as they're coming in, we're pulling them off. Apple we had, Google we had, and Tesla we had. We had them all at one point. So, but right now, no positions in them, guys. We're just doing more intraday trading at StockBookie.com. All right, let's go into Tesla. Just like Apple, guys, right into some key areas here. We're into this gap fill. We're into the 50 moving average. We're into the 50% retrace, guys. Coming off this high pivot, down, retrace, right back down, and holding on. Why? Because the markets were up. Markets are down a little bit. Like I said, 130 down. This is down as well. SPY, everything sells, guys. This is going back down to 180. Easily, maybe even lower. SPY and everything goes up, it's still got to grind and still got to get through this key area. Gets through there, then you're looking at 280, and then you just got to follow gaps and stuff like that. And there's a lot of gaps, a lot of pivots here, guys, for when this thing was in this downtrend, and this was ugly. God, every time they retrace, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. They were just killing people in this trade. 180 was the area, got the nice bounce. Why? Because the SPY went up. If the SPY didn't grind like that, this thing would have went right back down. Another thing, another stock that shouldn't have made, it just went up with the markets. Should have never made this move. And watch down, sideways, that's more bearish. And next thing you know, we're slipping. All right, just be careful if you're going long in these markets, guys. Rug pull can come out at any moment. You saw the last couple of days, guys, and that was some nasty rug pulls. Took a lot of people's money those couple of days, but not ours. We were short. That was great. Oh, I love the rug pull. We had lotto puts too. Oh my gosh, were we killing it. So, all right, Tesla though, holding support. Let's see what the markets do. Everything's a market trade at this point. All right, let's look at Google L. Google L almost filled the gap down here. Really, really close. Hit the 150-day moving average. Got a nice bounce today, just like everything else. Why? Because the SPY was up, guys. SPY's down after hours. What's this? Down after hours. SPY tanks tomorrow. It's going to be ugly again, guys. I think we're filling gaps and we're going straight down. All right, I don't think the selling's over, but I could be completely wrong. We are positioned to the downside right now, but we've been playing calls too, guys. We had an epic Amazon trade today. Oh my gosh, that, took some off, rode it. Finally getting a couple runners. I'm a big believer though, guys, get in, get out, especially in markets like this. So, long or short, I don't really care. But for Google, you're holding this area. Now, if let's go to the smaller short-term time frame. Let's just remove that fib. Let's stick the fib from here to this area there. I just want to see, look at that 5-0 retrace. And then back to the 618, so that's where you're chopping. And you're still above the MAs too, so it's not bad. This one's not, but the fade, look at that. Nice gap. We shorted up here, guys, wrote it down. I was out. I think I was out here. But then, of course, we get out and, it goes more. But that's almost the market makers. Chase it. So I don't know, but this one might go lower though. So watch gap fill. Watch the moving averages. If it can maintain above the 50% retrace, then this one should be good, just like the rest of them. But again, all these have to move with the SPY. SPY dumps, they're all going lower. SPY moves up, they're all going higher. So it's one of those where if you're looking to go long, SPY's got to go up. If you're looking to short, SPY's got to go down. I explain that to my members all the time where people just don't get it. You saw what happened in the last couple of days while the SPY was dumping? What do you think everything was doing? What do you think everything was doing since June as the SPY was going up? Going up. That's how it works, guys. Look, to the 50% retrace, chops around, gaps up. That was the move. Boom. Smart money's taking money. Dumb money's like, oh, it's going higher. No, you take it and run. That was $100 and something. Get the hell out. Especially if you took earnings. Or better yet, you're from down here. You went to almost 1,300. Take it. Right back down. Look, we got in, got out. I was out before that move. I don't care. Give me my $50, $60, whatever. $20, $10. Good enough. See you later. See you next time. Quick money. Profit, on to the next trade, guys. But yeah, this one's going into good support. Follow the markets, SPY dumps, the routine, guys. But if it holds, you know what? I'll look for calls. I hope we go down a little bit more. Chop around. Calls go to close to zero. Buy one, boom. And then all of a sudden markets are going up again. We're really trying to be patient in these markets. Had a couple good trades today. Lost on a call position yesterday, but it was more of a lotto. Small trade, got in, got smashed, but came back with some trades today, which really all that matters. We're picking on some high flyers too. They went against us a little bit today, but that's okay. They're high flyers. You got stocks going to 90 and their price target's at 50. So if you remember, you know what that one was. But Google L, not bad. Nice fade, though. Gosh, we played that one awesome, guys. Short shares. All right, let's go into Netflix, too. I forgot I wanted to do that one. So if you stuck around, you got Netflix, too. I'll put that on the label. But Netflix daily chart, 247 up, 74 cents down after hours, 6.1 million shares traded, and 0.80% green on the day. Double bottom, guys. We bought calls down here. Got out of them today. They came back. We got out of break even. I think they went up a little bit higher, but you know what? Still made money on them. Came back to break even with a smaller position because we were pulling them off as it was going up. Big believer. Take the profit and run, especially on a short market's dump. It's going to go right past this, and just that's it, guys. A little bit stretched from the 20, so we could get a bounce, but man, look at this action after earnings. Just be careful in these stocks, guys. They are moving big time. If you're going short-term options, they're going to wipe you out quick. We take short-term options, a ton of them here at StockBookie. Here, check these out, though, guys. Let's see if I could pull a couple up. I know I've been showing some. We love doing this action, guys. SPY, short puts. Look at that. A couple losers in there, but look at that string. 717s, we're putting them on, lost a couple, and boom, right back into action. We had some back here too in June and in May. Gosh, some good times here, guys. Just killing it. Had a great Amazon trade today too as well. Oh my gosh. But still have a lot of gaps to fill, guys. So let's be real careful with these long trades. If it does go up, though, then we'll be looking to reshort this as well. So there's a couple different plays you can do on this. But if you're long Netflix, this is the area. 305.51 or 300's got to hold. That gives. I think we're going right down here to this trend line. We hit that trend line, maybe. But again, you got to line it up with the SPY and the IWM. If they completely just keep selling, guys, this is going to, any of this, gap fills, whatever, going to be nothing. Double bottom, maybe for a short term. SPY keeps going. It's going. Same going up. SPY makes all-time highs and keeps ripping. These will be right back to the highs. Everything's a market trade right now, guys, so just be really careful and have your eye on the major indexes, all right? That's another one. So, all right, that's going to be it for these four. Don't forget to like the video, guys. Sign up, guys, $30 a month. We've been kicking ass and taking names in these markets, ripping these markets up. All my members are making money right now, and it hasn't been easy, but the technical's been just working like a charm. We were in Netflix right here, calls, guys. We got the bounce today and got out. We came back. It was shaking and baking today. And it came back, I just got out. And I was like, you know what? Right here. It was like, and that was it. And then it took off. Where did we get it? Right here, maybe? Yeah, and then it came right back, and we just stopped out. And we could have stayed in here. It did hold double bottom. They might have went a little bit higher today, but I was just like, you know what? I'm done. I'm not going to be stuck in this market, especially if the SPY gets the rug pull, and next thing you know, we're tanking again. That was some vicious selling, guys. So be very, very careful in these markets. Keep the positions on the smaller side. And if you're not sure what you're doing, guys, just get through this stuff. Cash is king. And when we start getting the an up move or a continuation to the downside, you got to trade stuff like that, guys. For us, long or short, I don't really care. I just want to make money in these markets. All right, guys, don't forget to like the video. Thanks again for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. I work hard at these videos and try to get this out to you guys every night, and trying to make good trades out there. So check us out, StockBookie.com. Thanks again. God bless. See you on the charts.